All right, so I hate repetitive tasks, and with a part of my membership, I'm installing Duda widgets all the time, and it takes a lot of work. I have to click through all of these. Unfortunately, there's no way to automate the install. There's no like import widget, or you can't use jQuery to like write a little script to install it. And so I went to the last case scenario of automation, which is basically recording your screen and having the software play back whatever your actions were. So if you click the top left corner, do that again. And I did that for this. So basically that's what we're seeing right now is I recorded myself installing the widget, and then I use the playback software to play it back at a much faster pace. So this is all happening in real time. Like I'm not speeding it up as far as like, this YouTube video or anything. And there it is. The Duda widget is installed, and then I send it back to you guys and say, hey, it's installed. And so that's partially why I can give it away for a lower price, although I am just stoked to get these widgets to you guys to help you guys build better Duda widgets. This is a last case scenario automation. I don't typically recommend this. I'm using software called Keyboard Maestro to do this. If you have a similar task, basically these are all the tasks I put together, start typing, click here, click there, and it just keeps on going. So that's what I worked on this week, and I was pretty stoked on it, so I thought I would share it with you guys.